Hi, I'm Todd McLeish from the URI News Bureau, and with me here today is Malcolm Spaulding, a professor of ocean engineering at URI, who's developed a computer software program that monitors and forecasts coastal conditions. Malcolm, why don't you first tell us a little bit about how the program works, or what it's supposed to do?
The program collects information via the internet and from its own observation stations, collects and starts and executes forecasts, and provides all this information to the user. We see a wide variety of uses in the coastal zone and coastal waters for these kinds of systems. First of all, one should note that the systems could be global in scale, so we're designing and developing a system here and using it as a test bed, but for international application. Some of the applications are search and rescue planning and operations, response to chemical and oil spills, a response to a terrorist incident, a response to a tanker, maybe an LNG tanker that explodes somewhere in the bay, where the plume of gas might go associated with that. It might be used for resource management to help the Narragansett Bay Commission better understand the impact of combined sewer overflow and sewage treatment plant discharges on the water quality. We also see applications in recreational use and to provide the public with information about bay conditions.
So Malcolm, where does all this information come from?
The information comes from a variety of sources. One of the primary sources is government databases from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the National Weather Service, the U.S. Geological Survey, and most of this data is available by the internet now. In addition, we collect data from our own bay through our own monitoring network, and that's available through the Department of Environmental Management and the NOAA port system.
And who do you expect the primary users of this software to be?
We picture a wide variety of users. Let's take a response to oil or chemical spills that might occur, such as the Buzzards Bay spill that occurred at the entrance to Narragansett Bay. The folks responding to that spill could use the system to forecast where the spill might go and to how to respond to the spill. It might also be used in support of marine transportation. The LNG proposal to bring tankers up into the bay, they might be able to use that to help better guide the tankers and to determine the passage times.
And last, might the general public have some use for this program? Is it even going to be available for them to use?
Yes, we picture the public getting the information via a website. They could go on the website and determine what the conditions in the bay were, say as an example if they were going to go down surfing or swimming. Individuals who might be planning to go sailing on the weekend might use this to help plan their event, how they might sail around the various passages of the bay.
Malcolm, thanks for sharing it with us. We're going to send the program now back to Coach Tim Stowers and Steve McDonald.